Video. What's in this box here? One of the tailpipes. The other one. Heat shield. Mounting hardware. Some gaskets and bolts and nuts. I think that's all we need. I think we got everything we need, so let's get started. Okay, got the magnum flow out. Gotta clean that up a little bit. Very dirty. Been on there for like 3 months, I think. So next thing I'm gonna do is gonna put this piece on. Okay, so this will make it easier to slide it in and not scratching anything. Line it up and raise it up. Okay. Let me see. So I'm gonna jack it up a little bit. Not in the middle. One more try. Balance it. Now I think we're gonna need to raise up the jack to level it up. Okay, so next thing to do is to put the exhaust on the rubber hanger. One on this side and one over there. Let's go with this one first. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to take it out first and then try that. Okay, got it out. Lubrication. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Struggling. Oop, missed it. There we go. Okay, I got to put this tailpiece on. It's for the passenger side. I'm gonna do the tail section, the one on the passenger side. That's when we use this big gasket that it came with. Okay, so I put a couple of bolts here to kind of keep it in place. Put a gasket in there, and now I'm gonna go and raise the tailpipe and hang it up. Try and slide the pipe in without removing the hanger. Here we go. So it's on. Look at the section there. I gotta go in and put the tighten up the bolts. Okay, so for the driver's side, put the pipe in under the spare tire over the rear axle, and just leave it hanging right there See at the end there. So now I'm gonna be putting on the hanger. See right there, that rivet, big rivet. So you go over that and then you slide. That's a notch right here. See that? This notch got to fit over this cross member piece. So that will help to support the weight. To put this hanger on, I moved the tailpipe out of the way. Okay, let's try this. Oh, no. Wrong way. Okay. So that one got to go like that. So I got a tailpipe loosely fitted, hanging on the rubber hanger that I just put in, and right there. So I'm just trying to figure out how to mount the heat shield, because all I got is the plate, the shield. I did not get any screws or bolts or anything with it. This is the passenger side. Driver's side. So looking at the rubber hanger here on the passenger side, this is the original one that came with the truck. So see, I push up the tailpipe and it's kind of hanging low there. Here's the new rubber, the hanger. It's nice and tight, looks nice. So that one's a little too low. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna torque all the bolts to factory spec, and then we're done for now. Okay, it's all done. So I'm gonna start it up and see how it sounds. Slightly louder than the MagnaFlow. Got a little bit more of a rumble sound to it.